There are 3 common mistakes that you are making in terms of skincare that's preventing you from getting the perfect skincare routine and also helping you clear out all the skincare concerns you may have. So to find out those 3 mistakes that you absolutely want to avoid, you need to stay tuned. Hi, my name is Sajana and I'm a skincare specialist guiding you on skincare with mindful lifestyle practices. So, working on beauty industry for almost 5+ years now, I know exactly what solution you are looking for and what are the most commonly made mistakes in terms of skincare. And to find out the mistake number 1, let's go ahead. Depending solely on reviews. Well, it is a good habit to read the reviews before you buy any product, but for skincare, you want to go a little bit deeper and do a little bit more research. So, for example, let's say you have an acne problem and you are trying to get rid of it. So, what would you do is you would go online and search it on Google, the best product for acne. And once you get all of those product recommendations, you go through reviews, and then after reading all of those reviews, you make up your mind to purchase a product. So this is a very normal route, but this is actually a mistake. So here's the solution, what you want to do. You want to compare the skin tone and skin condition that you are listening to, the reviews or suggestions that anybody is saying. So is it similarly you have the dry skin like the other person, or do you have the similarity of oily skin or combination skin? So you want to compare that. And is also the skin tone, is it both of you have same like golden skin tone, beige or bronze? So you want to compare all of those before you even decide to buy a product. So let's just stick with the acne problem right now. So when you have a acne problem, first thing you want to do is find out what grade of acne you have. There are 4 stages and 4 grades of acne. And if you want to know what grade of acne you have, watch this video right here. I have explained a little bit more in detail about everything in acne grades. It's one of my first video. It's not going to be as good looking, but has a very good information right there. And another important thing that you want to look at is look at the whole skincare routine, like the whole picture of the person suggesting you or looking at the reviews. You want to look the whole perspective of what skincare routine are they using, from the cleansers to the exfoliator and to the additional other products that they are using. So you want to see and compare in based of the whole product instead of just looking at from one product solution. Mistake number 2. More products means better skincare routine. You may be thinking you need to have a cleanser, toner, essence, serum, moisturizer, exfoliator, mask, all of these things to make your skincare routine better. And we may have been influenced with the 10-step skincare routine from Korean, and don't get me wrong, they are beautiful if you know how to use all of those products and get into the habits of using it every single day. It's amazing that you know that. It's your personal preference, but what I would say is don't make that perception of having a 10-step routine is the only way of getting a flawless skincare routine. So that's the mistake that we make. Here's the solution for it. For normal everyday routine, you only need 4 products. Those are cleanser, exfoliator, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So these are the products that everybody needs on a daily basis. And if you want to know like what exactly product that is right for you based on your skin type and skin tone, watch this video. I have explained everything in detail about the right products for the right skin tone. Your skincare routine will have additional extra step when you are looking to target a specific skincare concerns, like for wrinkles, acne, and hyperpigmentation. That's when you add a specific serum or mask to resolve all of those skin concerns. So what I would suggest to you is basically to have a skincare routine that you are comfortable of. So rather than having tons of product and you have no idea how to use all of those and you are not sure, so you want to have control of your skincare routine and at least 4 products as your basic skincare routine. Mistake number 3. Facial is only for relaxation. I am a skincare specialist and I totally understand the benefit of getting a regular facial, but most of the people think that facial is only once in a while treatment for relaxation. It's compared to like getting a relaxing massage, and it's a huge mistake. And here's the solution for it. Next time when you are booking for the facial, obviously after the COVID situation, expect to get relaxed, but don't compare it with massage. Expectations of having a deep pressure on your face and deep touch on your face, because the way it works is we need to have a gentle enough touch on your face to have the treatments work their best. Facial is definitely relaxing, but our main focus is to help you with the treatments. And those treatments are the continuous process of the results. So it's not only one time and you are done. So it's not about getting that one-time deal on Groupon and you are done. Also, if you do facials regularly, you will be seeing amazing results. It's just like how we have to do the regular workout to see the results, right? So let's say if you stop doing the weightlifting for a while and your muscles start to lag down, it works similarly for your facials muscles as well. So it requires a stimulation for it to be always active. So basically, facial is not only for relaxation, but it's a treatment process for the best result. I will be making a video how you can do a simple facial at home with a gua sha tool, and it's super effective at the same time relaxing as well. Until my next video comes out, you might be interested to find out what grade of acne you have and what are the 4 basic skincare products that you need. And yes, it's only 4 skincare basic products that I mentioned earlier, and you might like to find out in this video right here. I will see you in the next video. Until then, do take care of yourself and namaste.